understand when other people on a plane are laughing and goofing off. It makes it even worse for me. Alicia picks on me even more when we fly. And that really pisses me off, E. Don't do it ever again. I've never been a good flyer, ever.
Why is the plane getting louder?
Every little move on the plane frightens me, especially on the small planes. I had one flight in Sweden a long, long time ago where the plane just dropped out of the sky. So after that experience with flying, I really freaked out.
Alicia, what if we don't see the ground when we land? And then we just hit the ground? And it's going to scare me out of nowhere. This happens when you didn't prepare yourself. We can breathe. We landed on the ground. We can breathe. We can breathe. I hate to fly.
We just got off the plane. And we're in the car right now. And we're waiting for our luggage to touch down.